So Lexi's unboxing like that. Okay, we'll be back momentarily.
Okay.
Wow, that's what you ordered? Oh, I've always wanted this.
Yeah.
Protein.
Ooh, what's this?
Such a big box for such a thing. Like, why does it?
Cass, shut up. Nobody cares.
I'm wearing the same thing I did in your last video.
Food coloring.
Whoa, buddy.
Okay.
What's next? Yeah.
Okay.
So there's stuff for slime, right?
Yeah.
Where did you get that?
You want to see too?
Oh yeah, the glitter.
Whoa.
Such little containers, even.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's for.
These are the gold leaf sheets.
Oh yeah. It comes with
Yeah,
little
those are the gold
ponies.
leaf sheets.
There's some tools. There's little.
What the heck? What are these tools?
We have more sparkles, and these are little fruits and stuff that you can put.
Those are cool.
You have to show them every single one.
Flowers. Ooh, Cass, these are cool. Look, these are little fruits.
We got these.
Actually,
Ooh, beads. Why is there just one pink bead mixed in there?
There's these. These are fake sprinkles for slime. And then we have lots of foam balls. We have little ones like this.
Whoa,
White.
that's a lot of
And then
stuff.
in here we have food colorings that have scent.
Red.
What is this?
Yep, these have a scent. There's
Orange.
different colors in there.
What's this?
I don't know. Oh, I don't know if that's for the slime. That might not be. Oh, maybe it is.
Oh.
I thought it came with like a lot of stuff.
Well, it said 100 and something pieces.
Yeah.
They're tiny.
Oh, I guess a lot of these.
Look how little these are.
That is tiny.
I want to see the colors.
Don't get
So
They all have scents, which is even cool. Lemon, cherry, kiwi, turquoise. That's not a scent, but okay. Tangerine.
grape. This is grape.
Grape. What is this?
Blueberry.
Lavender, blueberry. Peach. Black currant? What the heck is black currant? Okay.
Forget me. Not 6 ml.
Forget me not? I don't know what that smells like, but those are cool.
I want to make slime.
Now we have to make slime, yeah.
Yeah.
First, you guys have to eat.
No. Wait, Mom.
And there's the glue.
Yeah.
The glue looks yellow.
Yeah, it looks not. It looks like different. It looks like glue.
Let me see. It does not look like glue. It looks yellow.
Not clear. Ready to ship?
Yeah.
Okay, Buffy. Get pretty clear to me.
Yeah, I guess.
Shelf with all of these.
Oh, you want me to put it down?
What do they have on them? Look, on the little horses.
I don't know. They're kind of weird
You
looking.
can make like ice cream slime with these fake ones.
Uh-huh.
Well, bye. After we make slime.